cooling cocktail. But fortune sends us only ice cream. Well, let's turn it into a DIY exotic delicacy by adding an amusing pink flamingo. Need sugar paste with pink food coloring. Make a head and a long flamingo neck. Shape a beak with a modeling tool. Paint the flamingo with food coloring. Put a few scoops of ice cream into a wafer cone. Put in the flamingo. Decorate it with pink cotton candy on top. There is a pink cutie in my ice cream. The flamingo ice cream looks awesome. It's very exotic. I will call it the Ice Creamingo. So delicious. A present waits for Redhead. I've prepared a real candy entertainment for her. Open your eyes and get ready, because this is a piñata. Cut notebook pages into strips. Let them soak in white glue. Cover a big balloon with these strips. Attach the paper overlapping without gaps. Wait for the first layer to dry and add another paper coat. Leave a little area free of paper. Make a hanger while the balloon is drying. Bend a wire and hot glue it to a strip of thick cardboard. Make it firmer by attaching another cardboard strip on top. Hot glue it nicely. Use pliers to make a hook out of the end of the wire. Snip off the end of the balloon when the paper dries. Cut out a wide hole. Take out the balloon. Put in candies, sparkles, glitter, and tinsel. Attach the cardboard with the hook into the hole. Add a few pieces of cardboard on top to fasten it better. Cut colored tissue paper to make fringe and attach it to the outside of the paper balloon. Decorate the piñata with a funny face made out of colored paper. I cover Redhead's eyes. Wait, you've forgotten a baseball bat. Now you can go. Wait, piñata is in a different direction. Redhead with a baseball bat is a real entertainment. Better than a piñata. No one can hide from her, neither candies nor her friend. At last, we've reached the target. Come on, lady with a baseball bat. Attack your victim. A few accurate hits and the piñata is open. All the candies are free. We just have to choose the most delicious ones. What can be more delicious than a milkshake? Only a unicorn cocktail. It consists of unicorn milk and a pinch of magic. Cover a plastic cup with light clay. Shape a unicorn head. Attach ears using toothpicks. Make a horn using a toothpick as a frame. Score a spiral pattern with a knife. Put the horn into its place. Mark eyes with a round cap. Use a modeling tool to make nostrils. Make a mane from light clay. When dry, cover the clay with white acrylic paint and paint the unicorn bright. To make a milkshake, take strawberry ice cream, a few strawberries, and a banana. Pour milk and mix it in a blender. Pour the milkshake into the cup. Squeeze whipped cream on top. Add marshmallow and decorate it with rainbow sprinkles. The unicorn cocktail is so delicious. It seems as if it says, "Drink me." It's for the real fans of fantastic creatures. Any drink will become magical in this unicorn cup. Has your friend gotten bored? It's time for a fruit snack. I will put a smile back on her face. I've prepared a special pear. Add green and yellow food coloring into sugar paste. Knead it to blend. Put yellow food coloring in the second piece of the sugar paste and add the teeniest drop of green. Join the colors. Cover an orange with the yellowish-green sugar paste. Shape a pear. Make a hole for a stem on top. Make a stem from black sugar paste. Attach it into the hole using edible glue. Paint the pear with food coloring. Dolly cuts the green pear. Wow! What kind of fruit is it? An orange is inside of the pear. How did it get there? Maybe the orange was trapped by the pear and we freed it. A juicy orange is exactly what we need on a hot summer day. Did you like our summer ideas? Now you know for sure what to do in the holidays. Prepare a unicorn cocktail, blow up a giant ice cream, or color your t-shirt with colored eggs. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new summer ideas on the Troom Troom channel.